Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you guys new coupons to print. Sorry for posting this video a little late. I wanted to sleep in. It's my one and only day I get to sleep in, so that is why. But here are some new coupons to print on coupons.com. Now I print my coupons on swagbucks.com. Now you have to do it on your computer, but every coupon you print you get 1 point, and then once you redeem them you guys can get up to 25 points, so that's a pretty good deal. But what happens is they added a bunch of new ones yesterday, but I didn't make a video. But here they got Sunmade $2 off of, $2 off of 2, which I think is a pretty good coupon. They got Arby's, Checkers, and Red Robin, French fries. They got that, Degree. I'm not going to print this stuff off. Some of these did reset. A lot of these reset. But here we got CoverGirl, Kleenex. A lot of these reset. I'm not printing them off because I already have a ton. So there's that for you. They ended up getting some Baby Organics. I think that's a reset. But here they got ROCK, the Rock Skincare product. I like that stuff. The Vino Baby, we have a $2 off coupon for that. Aquafresh, $1 off of that, which sometimes it could be an easy freebie. Gliss, we got $2 off of 1. Persil, we got $2 off of 1, which there's also a Saving Star deal for that, so you guys definitely want to add that. Let's see what other ones they have. Here they got a good one, Soft Scrub, buy one, get one free. I love that. They also added a bunch of the Clorox Scentiva stuff, so that's going to be down at the bottom because I printed some of those off already. Let's see what else there is. My family's up, so now you're going to hear stuff in the background from them. Let's see what other stuff they added. Not much new coupons, but hey, I'm happy with those because those are a lot of ones that I don't get in my inserts. So, yeah. Here we got $1 off L'Oreal Paris, which I think I have a L'Oreal Cosmetic coupon, so I'm going to use that. Or CRT from CVS. Not much. I don't know. I'm trying to like stop printing coupons if I don't really need them. So, but I got a printer that I can print 1,000 of them and I hardly pay anything. But here they got the Scentiva coupons, Revlon. This one's a new one, the Hershey's $1 off 2. They did have that a couple weeks ago and then it came back. But yeah, all the Scott reset, the Viva, the CoverGirl, the Snickers, all the candy reset. They did have a $4 off of Listerine. And you can only print that one once, so I'm like, yes, I'll print that off again. But those are all that I have to print. Hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.